Hello, I am Elena, also known as Ambitious Elle. This is my partner Lilo, and together we will sew this cosmetic bag. Will you do it with us? We take one piece of fabric, we lay it down. We take the rubber, we fold it in half. We position it at the top and we pin the edges. Like this. Now we take the other part, we put it on the top and we make sure that the two pieces match at all sides. We will sew all of it and leave one piece without sewing so that we can turn it all over. Now we will sew on the good side. So now we're gonna take the long part that we cut, we will fold it on half and iron it all the way. The result should look like this. At the beginning and at the end, I want you to fold 2 centimeters inside and iron it. We will take the inside part of the bag and we will pin . So at the end, the two parts should meet like this. They should be facing each other, having a small space or no space at all, it's fine, but not overlapping one another. So I have sewn it together. I'm gonna cut some threads. Now I have the upper part. I have pinned the top at 7 centimeters inside. I have placed 2 pins to secure the position. So now I'm gonna sew them together. Remember this part, I'm gonna put it not at this position, but at the facing one, at the other side. Here. Place my other circle part on top, make sure they match, put the top on the inside. I don't want to see it for the next step. Making sure everything matches and I'm gonna pin. Before going to the sewing machine, just remember that we need to leave a part, I will leave this one, without sewing so that we can turn it inside out. Make sure you remove all pins, especially in this fabric which I'm using, because they are not always easy to see. So now I'm turning. I'm pulling until all of the fabric comes out. And the result looks like this, full of wrinkles, which brings us to the iron, right? We're gonna iron this, so I will be right back. So I am back. The first thing I want to do is to find the spot that I need to sew, and I will sew it. So next step, I have some leather-like cords with me. So I have to choose which one I think fits best. I'm gonna go for navy blue. So what we do is we're gonna use a pin. I'm gonna use a large one because it is easy to work with. I'm gonna pin the cord. I will pass it through. Makes it pretty clear that it's not the right material for this project. My options are like these two. We'll keep the satin one, and I will try to make it like use maybe a gold button. That's the way our bag closes. So if you want to be able to open it fully and make a full circle, then you have to leave enough ribbon or cord or whatever you used. Final step, adding the buttons. We want to pinch like slightly, super slightly. Remove the other pin. Check on the inside. No, it's not good enough. Can you see? Because I can see the needle. I don't want to see the needle on the inside. So we're gonna do another try. And check. Okay, this is perfect. This is clear. So this is it. This is it. Our cosmetic bag. We need to put some things inside, and you know what? I think like this, it's too long. It looks like a mustache, so I'm gonna cut it. At this point, if you follow all the steps correctly, you will have your own cosmetic bag. What are you gonna fill it with?